Is definitely very helpful. So I wanted to present my data of what I generated from my research here to present in a symposium. And for that, this travel award really helped to like financially, so that I could connect more to my the cutting edge research which is there happening in my research area. So I could like network, I could go there and present my data. It was really helpful because now the budget constraints and everything. But this travel award, not only that, I can also add that to my CV so that I can say that it's like really I am awarded with a travel award which is helpful for my future and research career.
Yeah. They've helped me professionally because it's given me the opportunity to travel and network in different places that I couldn't imagine. I think a lot of students, before they get into grad school, they don't expect to travel that much. However, you get the opportunities, especially with grants such as these, and it's been amazing so far.
As a first year graduate student, this travel award has really helped me both broaden my horizons with networking and presenting, just getting more comfortable with the idea of presenting and sharing scientific research with the community.
Because it allows me to get into these spaces with other scientists and hear more, share my research first of all, and also hear more, get more insights on DNA repair. I think it's a good way, these conferences, I think it's a good way to learn more and get more information outside of what we're used to. So.
Do some nice networking. I got to go to SOT, and hopefully I'll be able to continue going there. So building connections that will hopefully lead into a career once I graduate.
So specifically, I'm an international student, and some of these extra grants I can't apply to because I'm not a citizen. But like opportunities like this, the award allows me to be able to travel and present my work at different conferences. I've actually been to 3 conferences with the CIHS Travel Award, and so I'm really grateful.